for you. You no go fit close your mouth. Na so e be. Area, let us praise the Lord together. Oya, 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 oya. I don't come to say you do well, oh. You don't do one again. I don't think close my mouth for this one. Make una join me to praise my God. Etete means unmovable God. God will not shake. If God dey your family, nothing can shake your family. If God dey your business, nothing can shake your business. I don't come to say you do well, oh. You don't do one again. I know they close my mouth for this one. Because I need you to pray my God. Oh yeah, that's the style. That's the style. That's the style. Like that, sir. I just follow up. That's how they praise God for Urhobo land. If you don't pieces and as everybody, whether you big or you small, as you hold your handkerchief, you don't scatter around. Oh, so far I've got it. Whether you tie big rapper or you get money, that's how they run now. Who did that? Peggy, rate my dance, rate my dance, rate my dance. And that's I'm one of the best dancers. Just rate them, man. Thank you very much. Watch out for next one. Thank you.